So we got the basic shape. Now we move to the next exercise, uh, finishing the loops. So getting on to the loops, we just quickly need to make everything into quad, and this is a trick we discuss. So each and every loops needs to finishes properly and looks like a, need to look like a, what you say, quad. So it goes here, all are quad now. Okay, so this needs to end here, and we cannot get rid of this loop. If we remove this loop, this shape will change. Not much, we can remove it. It came back from here. Okay, that should do for now. Let it be like this. This needed to hold the shape. Do we need to do that? Not here. Let it be hard shape for here. Okay, so we have, it's got okay here. We only need to work the loops going towards this and which are not making chord, like this. So we worked on this side, we'll work on this. It will take few minutes and we are done. This is also done. Let's get this done. We need to get rid of this loop. Then again, we can't get rid of this. This is a holding here, holding the shape. So we'll just hold on to that. Another this one. We'll put another loop here to continue the loop like this. So same thing goes here. We will have an interesting loop here. This will go. Now everything makes like a quad. This can be like this, and as long as everything is quad, we should be okay. This is quad, this is quad, and this is also quad. So I guess we are done. Let's snap it here, and this one too. Okay, let's look at the here. So we have a triangle here. Let's put a loop in and connect this. Now we can connect this here and here. Let's remove this. So these are two main loop going here. We can get rid of them. So we need to make a quad here. Let's finish here first. What it gonna be? What else if it goes here and this goes here? Okay, so one thing can happen. Nope, this needs to go here. This loops needs to go here. So what we can do, we can add a loop in it. So let's just add it. It's going all the way round and round, so let's wait and put it manually. Multicut 50%. Use shift to snap on 50%, and that should do, and we will stop here. Let's start here. We are using shift and left click on multicut. Okay, so this will do for now. Perfect chord. The shape is also holding nice. So next we need to do the same thing here. This loop goes here, this goes here. Let's get rid of them. So that's it. This should do the job. This is our hammer, and the wood thing, let's just do the rough work for the handle. So let's add some loop. One loop here for the end, one loop here, another for here, and two loop for here. Okay, so it got bigger towards the end and smaller. It got bigger here and again smaller and little bigger here, and it's not fitting in this shape because the shape is, so towards the end it's been chopped in square shape, so we'll do a little bit of changes there so it will fit properly. Okay, we're doing it manually, so have some human error. This should fit properly. Here it goes, a little bit back, and let's scale it overall. Okay, that should do for now. It's not holding the shape here. We need to add a loop here. If we try to put insert edge loop tool, it won't work because it's a triangle. So another trick is we can just extrude the faces here. We got extra selection. So here it is. Now it should hold the shape. It's more sharp. We need more edges. Yeah, like this. So that's it, guys. This is our claw hammer with finished look. This shape is a little bit disturbing, but yeah, you can always change it. Just move a little bit upward, you get the nice round curve here. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video.